Well, good morning. I hope everyone is doing okay. This is Lisa with Not Your College Life. I'm Lisa Beals. You guys, so this podcast this week is going to be a short one. I already released a bonus episode that chronicled my week last week. I got through Wednesday. Part 2 is Thursday and Friday. That is finishing up, and I should have that to you probably Wednesday. But as I was finishing that this weekend, I'm thinking of all the topics that I had planned to potentially cover with you this week, and none of them really seemed relevant, important, worthy of anyone's time at this point. I was going to go through the things that you need to make sure 10 things you need to make sure you teach your student how to do before they leave high school and go to college. I was going to talk with you about how to see how transfer credit is articulated. I was going to show you how to find your students' plan of study and help them walk through requirements and where they've got room for electives. And, probably the closest topic would have been our Townie Moms subject. And you guys, I recorded an episode with them with their fearless leader, Linda, in December. I can't find the recording. This girl must have deleted it somewhere. I'm kicking myself because it was such an amazing conversation. And in all reality, we recorded it at the coffee shop and there was so much noise, and I don't know that you would have been able to hear anything. So I'm going to take the notes that I had, the responses that Linda wrote out to some of my questions, and I'll talk about them. Maybe I'll go ahead and do that for next week, the Townie Moms, which really isn't relevant for anyone outside of West Lafayette. But if you are a mom living in a college town, it may inspire you on something you could do to significantly change the landscape of your town, because I'm just here to tell you it's been amazing. So this podcast is here to tell you I really don't have a podcast for you today, but tell me what you need. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. Tell me, what is it? What resources do you need? Do you need help as a mom figuring this out? Do you need help as a mom figuring out how to have that kid under the same roof as you again? Do you need help figuring out how to support them in their learning? Do you need me to find resources from a mental health professional on how you can identify when they're struggling so that you can take the right next steps with them? Do you need help with them figuring out a job now, because the job market has just gone berserk? Tell me what you need help with. I'm at lisa@lisabeals.com. That's my email. Lisa is spelled Lesa. I am at Not Your College Life with Lisa Beals, both on Instagram and Facebook. And I will put the link to all three, both my website, my Facebook, and my Instagram. I'll put those in the show notes. And I'm going to challenge you. Tell me what you need help with. Tell me the resources that I can pull together for you for next week. And we'll see together how we can get through this. Lastly, I want to offer this. While the media wants us to focus on the madness, right? The thousands of students and people that are not abiding by social distancing at the beaches and over spring break. The crazy people that are hoarding the food and the toilet paper. The people that are crying, I need a test for coronavirus, and Joe Celebrity or Joe Government Official is getting one. Can we instead choose to focus our minds on the positive? I want you to pay attention when you're going out to the grocery store. How many people are abiding by social distancing? How many people are being gracious and only taking what they need? And how many people are not cutting you off? I've been watching and I'm seeing it. The social interactions online have been amazing. The support, girl, you guys, on the parent page, at least one parent page that I've seen, and I'm on several, not just at Purdue. Let's just say I'm on probably 20. The generosity and empathy that I'm seeing. So let me give you a few examples. Parent posts. I live in Carmel. Carmel is a 30 to 45 minute drive from West Lafayette. I'm going to Costco, and if your student is stuck on campus with no transportation and needs anything, send me a message and I'll get them what they need. Your student is sick and they need medication, they need a ride to the clinic, and they don't know how to get there. Let me know. I'm going to help them. I have seen parents say, I'm in California. I can't get out there. My kid needs to pack up and come home. I don't know what to do. Both the university has said, we'll figure it out. Just let us know what's going on. Leave the stuff. Take care of you and your kid. I've also seen parents get online and say, my kid and his frat have to move out, but they're not moving out for X number of days. Why don't you message him? They all have trucks. They'll help. They'll pack it up and they'll take it to storage for them. Here's their contact information. You guys, let's focus our minds on the good. You can control that part. What you choose to feed your mind, you can control. I do not watch the news very often because it fills your brain with negativity and with thoughts and reminders that humanity is selfish and that people are only out for themselves. And I find that to be no bigger lie. I find that to be an incredible misrepresentation. Of course, there are people like that out there, but the majority of the people that we all know and interact with are decent, compassionate humans, just like you are. So at minimum, I challenge yourself to focus on the good. Send me an email, send me a message on Facebook or Instagram, wherever you're at. What do you need help with? What do I need to cover for you? Because that's why I'm here. That is what fills me up, is to help others along this journey of your students' college life. Because it's a shift. It's a shift for you as much as it is for them, and we're in this together. Okay, you guys, till next week. Take care and be safe.